Welcome back, everyone. This is Coach JR, and today I want to take a look at what's happening. We just finished our Power Hour here at the Profit Flow Group, and that's for members only. Right now, my service is closed to new members, new users. But remember, hey, in the description of this video, right away, there's a list, a waiting list. Go and sign up your name, your email, and all the information they ask you because you don't want to miss. We're going to have our product, I think this week, next week, I will say, in less than 2 weeks. It's going to be not really amazing. I don't want to sound like the other guy, but I just want to tell you, we are going to make a massive change in the financial industry of the US and the rest of the world because everyone wants a piece of the US action, whether you like it or not. They're not making money in Spain. They're not making money in the British stock market. They're not making money, maybe a little bit of money in the German DAX. Sort of a little bit of money in China, but you know where's the big money flowing? When people crash, when people suffer for that excessive volatility in Bitcoin, whatever you want to call it, hold it to the end of the day, whatever it is, they want to put their money in the safest and most liquid and transparent market. Whether you like it or not, whatever is your opinion in the US as a country, it doesn't matter. When it comes down is where you have the freedom to trade and profit from your ideas. And that happens in the United States of America. And today I want to start with the MUP, market on close. Right away, we're going to take a look today, slightly leaning into the side of the selling. We have 105 versus 95. Last week, not a surprise, still very strong. The market is actually recycling all that, the retail losses from Bitcoin. And at the end of the day, it's stable. I would love to see a break and continuation above 4,200. We'll see what happens. Still, we may face a little bit of selling pressure, tomorrow. But let's see where the market on close will be tomorrow after the closing bell. So I will come back with a new video. Today, what I want to do as well is just, I'm not teasing you. This is not like a package of ideas when it comes to marketing. It's just to give you two trade ideas my team was working on, and the members of the current members of Profit Flow Group took advantage on. Now, remember, everyone is happy, 15%, but guess what? You need about $30,000 to make that much money. Yes, you need to open your, I don't know what to call it, crypto exchange account? God knows. But if you open your account with a trading institution, let's talk about interactive brokers. Hey, even Robinhood, I don't care. But they have the structure in place where you don't have to go with $30,000 of your savings or your money to invest that you have. No, with only, let's say $1,000, $500, you don't have to risk that much just to make a mere 15%. Is that it? That's all you want? That's all you have, Bitcoin? 15%? You really need to go to the moon to make people a lot of money. Let me show you something that is happening and we're working on. First, we're going to start with space. Today, space to the left, we have Tesla to the right. Very important because today, look at that beautiful, to the moon in the equity markets. If you thought stocks cannot mooning, they can do it. That means that it can actually make you a lot of money. 27.62% today. Tesla, waking up today, 4.4%. That's very strong in dollars. We're talking a jump in price of 25.56. Now, what are the ideas? How you can make money? I just want to show you what happened today, and you will seriously think rather than take $30,000 of your dollars, okay? Just to make 15% with that massive minus 54% volatility. You maybe want to jump to the US options market with $10,000, $20,000, not everything, maybe only $5,000. And let me show you what you can do with it. Now, let's take a look at space. Today, first, the in the money 23 call for Friday made 187%. Look at what space did. Look at what your baby boy Bitcoin did. Space, 187%. You don't need $30,000. You can take $2,000. You can take $5,000 and get going. Now, first trade idea. I want tomorrow to position myself on the 24.5, May 28 expiration. That's the end of the week. They closed around the last sell price was $3.15. Today, that call made 200%. And hey, I understand. I know you're thinking, hey, coach, it already made 200%. Why am I supposed to buy this? Listen, if it went 200%, that means that we're buying strength. We're going to buy continuation of the trend, right? Continuation of the trend. And again, you don't need $30,000 to participate just to take home 15%. Look at what the stock did. Space went up 27% today, 27.62%. And this call, they made people like you and me, the day-to-day American. They made us almost 200% in one single trading session. Now, the trade, like I said, I want to take is this 2450. Let me look it up because it happened in the last couple minutes of the market session. And I just want to make sure I have the numbers accordingly. And let me see if I can find space. What happened? I have it here. Space. Okay. Right there in this contract today, we had a minimum dollar amount of $3.7 million. That's right. $3.7 million. And we have a total of 1,000% in the SDF, statistical disrupted flow. That's exactly how my algorithms work, and let me know exactly where to look. So this is a trade I want to take on space. I will be in the trade for at least 48 hours, and after that I will start trimming my position. The next trade, it's Tesla. It seems that he's putting his together, and we have May 28th, end of the week, 650 call. Look at what it did today. It went as high as, take a look at, it went as high as $3.15. Low was 79 cents. Just imagine that. Take a look at this. Boom, right there, 10 a.m., $79. That's, where is the open? Open, $1.03. It dipped to 79 cents, and then ping, pam, boom, to the moon, right there. It went all the way. I repeat, $3.15. It closed at $1.88 on 70%. It was a 100% gain today. But listen, today we have $10 million. I repeat, $10 million in this trade. And you want to play this for the continuation of the week. Look at what Tesla is doing on the daily chart. It's coming back up. If it can break above the 20 exponential moving average, we have something interesting. And if you're looking to take from the market that money and really make those explosive profits, then these two positions are the ones that should be looking. There's no teasing. I'm letting you know exactly what we're playing, what the team is doing, what the members at the Profit Flow group are doing. But remember, right now the service is closed. There is a link, waiting list on the description of this video. Go ahead, sign up now. Don't miss the opportunity. I'm just going to give a few of this. Actually, I think this is the only two I'm going to give. I'm just going to give you an idea what we do. Some people already made money. I think you can still squeeze this to the upside. This is for you. Remember, because I do the management of the trade for everyone, I just guide them with everything. By law, I'm not allowed to place those trades. So feel confident that these ideas are for you. And by the way, like I said, these are massive trades. Almost $10 million in Tesla, almost 3.5 million. Excuse me, $3.7 million in space. You must pay attention to these two trades. Space by the end of the week, 24.5. If I were you, I would be looking to jump on this wagon at the opening of tomorrow's market. And same with Tesla. Last sale was for $1.88. Still something to squeeze on this play. I strongly advise you to do that. And just to close, let's take a quick look at what the SPY is doing, and also Russell 2000. IWM, look at what it's doing right now. It seems that in the daily chart, 2 hour 40 SPY, IWM lagging a little bit behind the Qs and SPY. So I'd say that we still have a lot on the table. I will say probably we have a little bit of weakness tomorrow based on the market on close. The volumes that we had today, let me just share that with you again. The volumes slightly leaning to the side of the selling pressure, so no surprises tomorrow. But absolutely, what I have here, what I have for you guys. Okay, so these are just basic projections based on nothing scientific, just price patterns that they've been doing in the last I will say 8 weeks. And if that's the case, we should see a push higher, what we call the melt up, continuation in the bullish trend. Whether people like it or not, we're still in a bullish market and you want to participate. I will be calling another high, historical high for the SPY at 439, and as well looking to have another historical high for the IWM Russell 2000 ETF at 239 from current value at 221. Well, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. The market is getting hot. Don't waste your time. I see everything that I'm doing here. Oh, Jesus. Don't waste your time taking $30,000 of your savings just to make this. No. Remember the power of options. The power of options. Look at what options are doing. Look at what options are doing. Big money. Let me have it for you here. Okay, look at that. Just in a day. Space. And look about Tesla. People chasing Tesla. They want to make the big money. They're just trading with the wrong instrument. All right. Now, I gotta go. We have to prepare the broadcast. We're coming with something huge for everyone, not only for the U.S. but also for Europeans and everyone in Asia. Options are the way to go in 2021 and the rest of this decade. Signing off right now, Coach JR. Remember, go to the description of this video. There's some link. Sign up for the waiting list and get ready. It's going to be a great year. And no worries, if Bitcoin goes to the floor, you always have the options market following SDF, Statistical Disrupted Flow. Until then, us!